Do you suffer from poor circulation? Here's how to solve the problem in only 30 minutes. First, you should know that poor circulation is a common health issue affecting people of all ages. Many experts around the world say that these are the most common causes and risk factors: inactivity and poor diet. In reality, modern life has come down to eating ready-made meals, which are often depleted of nutrients, and spending every spare minute in front of the TV or laptop. This actually excludes healthy nutrition and physical activity, the two staples of good overall health. We can also mention that the blood circulation problem is one of the first affected segments of sedentary lifestyle. But the problem doesn't stop here, as poor circulation triggers other health issues. Aside from your tissues not getting enough oxygen and nutrients, your bloodstream also becomes loaded with fat and cholesterol that clog your arteries in time. Fortunately, there's an easy and all-natural way which can help you treat and prevent this problem. We are going to show you some simple exercises which are extremely beneficial and effective for improving blood circulation. If you combine these with a well-balanced diet, you'll treat this condition in no time. Here's what you need to do. Stretching. Many experts around the world say that stretching is very important and you should do this first thing in the morning when you get up. The best thing about stretching is that it will take you just a few minutes and it's extremely effective, so you should make it your morning ritual. It's definitely worth it. Joint exercise is also very useful and effective. Note, you should start with feet flat on the ground, standing on your toes. Raise your heels for 2 to 3 seconds. Make sure your calf muscles are tightened. Do this for at least 10 times. You will be amazed by the results. Feet rotation. Feet rotation is a very simple exercise but extremely effective. Here's what you need to do. You need to sit on a chair. Now you should rotate your feet clockwise. Do this 10 times. You will not only improve your blood circulation, but also the suppleness of your legs. Push-ups. Push-ups, the experts say that this is also very useful for treating poor circulation. When you get up in the morning, you should do a set of 10 push-ups. This routine will give you enough energy for the day. Walking. Many people say that walking is probably the most beneficial exercise for blood circulation. You should know that walking tightens and relaxes the leg muscles and improves blood flow throughout the body. Plus, it decreases your blood pressure. Short walks 2 to 3 times a week are best to start with. You will be amazed by the results. Swimming. Did you know that swimming is also very efficient and useful because it involves all your body muscles? You should swim more often. You should also know that swimming improves the oxygen supply to your heart and lungs. It is quite beneficial for muscle and joint pain, and it is suitable for all people of all ages. Yoga. You should start doing some yoga because it provides excellent breathing techniques which will improve oxygen concentration in your blood as well as blood flow in your muscles. Cycling. You should know that cycling is one of the best exercises for improving blood flow in the lower part of your body. Dancing. Did you know that dancing is also very useful and beneficial for improving your blood circulation? Well, yes, and dancing will also help you get rid of stress and lose weight at the same time.